We start by solving the white cross, then the white corners to complete the first layer. Next, solve the middle layer by positioning the edge pieces correctly. Create a yellow cross on the top face. Sort the yellow corners accordingly to their correct positions. And finally, orient the yellow corners to complete the cube. This method uses specific algorithms to solve one layer at a time. After watching the tutorial over and over again, I tried solving using advanced CFOP without it. But after trying multiple times, I keep failing and failing and failing, not even passing my previous record. Since advanced CFOP is new to me, it takes some time for me to process what algorithm to use, and therefore causing me to slow down. I take 5 seconds to just process what moves to use, which is too much. When I was practicing it, it doesn't feel like I was making any progress. It feels like I was just not reaching the level that I could be at. But after so many attempts, I finally got the solve that we've all been waiting for that meets the expectation.
Yes.
And with that solved, that concludes my video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.